get to our application, drive business for us, and they also socialize at the same time. And we were able to achieve it well in time, of course. Example, how it comes out is like this. That this guy has booked tickets for a movie and from PVR Cinemas and published a show on the wall of the person. Now we're thinking, now what? We even tried looking at options of doing to the next level, where we are getting a website linked to Facebook further with Facebook Connect, so that when you come to a PVR website also, you can log in through Facebook login ID. Instead of having a separate ID out here and separate at Facebook, let's use them together. Advantage is that if you book on PVR site, it will again get published on the Facebook wall. You're socializing it again. And of course, a fan box on the PVR website, so that they can add the comments all the time. They're next to us, they give us feedback faster, and everybody can socialize in a better way. So basically what we did was, as I said, show, share and socialize. We use the three concepts of social networking for our application and build a network around that. That's it from my end as such.
Atul, thank you.
Yeah.
I think that's very interesting. Sorry to again push you on this, but if you were to look at how many people are coming to buy tickets through the Facebook app versus just through all other ways of coming to your website, do you yet have a measure of that?
See, website is going to be a number one driver, no doubt about that.
Okay.
From the remote or web booking perspective. We could see a spike going up moment we started doing further marketing over it. We started pushing some content on the Facebook saying that which is the favorite dialogue of which movie, which is the favorite action movie of all time. The driver was immediate, you can see the effect straight away. The moment somebody left a comment, all his circle could see that effect.
Okay.
And instead of initially we were driving around 200 people per day to this application, it straight away drove to 1,000 people. So it's a ripple effect that happens on this application. The Facebook, any social network site, I would say that moment you ask them to socialize on your platform, it was a cascading effect after that. So we were able to drive it. Of course, the marketing team takes care of a lot of things over that in respect that what questions to put out there, because we have to ensure that we do not get any negative answers also. Taking care from the distributed production house perspective, nobody should be able to give a negative answer, because we are being exhibitors, we cannot have negative anything on the website. So taking that perspective, the questions that are asked are very different way put out there. So if we can put a counter question to the public out there on the Facebook or put any social networking, the response that you get, it gives a further effect over it.
I have seen some people do tickets for special shows and premieres through Facebook. I got an invite from Disney once for Hannah Montana. Do you do that kind of stuff as well?
No, unfortunately not. In India or out here, premiere shows are decided just 2 days in advance.
Right.
So the timeline is not that much to get that right out.
Okay.
But I think in that case, this is probably the one mechanism where you can use, because this is an instant.
Yeah, no. In fact, this was used by Disney in India.
It does. See, there are a lot of issues around that. Who is sponsoring it?
Right.
Who are the star visits along with that?
Sure.
How much type of security that you require for that? Because when Amitabh Bachchan comes in, the security level goes very high. Even Akshay Kumar, that's what happens. So you do not want that thing also to go to a very large extent. Because the crowd factor that comes in is too high.
Right.
So a lot of other things that marketing people decide a lot how they want to do it, but there's a lot of other factors that come along with that.
In fact, sorry, Pramod,
Yeah.
just an important distinction, and I think a point here that's emerging, if I may jump in. I think depending on the industry that you're in, and depending on whether you're selling to